The Electric Power Research Institute is examining the pace of U.S. carbon emission reduction based on the goal of cutting economy-wide emissions in half by 2030. Across the U.S. economy, annual energy-related carbon emissions declined 1 gigaton between 2005 and 2020, driving CO2 about 50% below 2005 levels by 2030 means tripling the rate of decarbonizing ocean, accelerating from a 1 gigaton reduction over 15 years to 1 gigaton every 5 years. Additional reductions are expected in the decades ahead as the U.S. targets net zero emissions economy-wide by 2050. Between 2005 and 2020, the power sector reduced its carbon emissions by 35%, driven by end-use efficiency gains coupled with natural gas and renewables replacing coal. Electric sector reductions will need to accelerate over the coming decade to achieve a 3 times increase in the economy-wide pace. With high solar and wind penetration and advanced low-carbon technologies emerging, achieving net zero power sector emissions will take time and involve substantial technology innovation to make the transition affordable and reliable. The transportation, buildings, and industry sectors achieved relatively small carbon reductions between 2005 and 2020. These sectors will have to substantially accelerate reductions to meet 2030 goals. Electrification will play a central role in the decades ahead. Transportation, buildings, and industry are expected to continue reducing emissions, powered by electrification, low-carbon fuels, and carbon capture and storage. The development of negative emission technologies will benefit all sectors. The power sector is poised to play a crucial role in realizing the U.S. carbon goals in the coming decades through direct emission reductions and by enabling reductions in transportation, buildings, and industry. As we decarbonize and further electrify the transportation and building sectors, we simultaneously need to ensure the electric grid can withstand the changing weather and climate of today and tomorrow. Adapting the grid and proactively planning upgrades to handle extreme weather require evaluating trends in future climate projections, assessing grid vulnerabilities, and investing in robust risk mitigation options that account for regional differences. Maintaining and improving resilience will be a critical part of the decarbonization journey as we seek to build a clean, affordable, safe, and reliable energy future.